How to fix high ping in Back4 Blood on Windows. 1. Check the server status. 2. Test and troubleshoot your internet connection. Common tips include power cycle your router and modem. Use an Ethernet connection. Check or manage connected device in your Wi-Fi network. 3. Close bandwidth hogging programs. 4. Update network. Driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 5. Check your DNS settings. 5.1 Flush your DNS via IP protocol configuration /flushes command. 5.2 Switch to a public DNS. Server. 6. Using the recommended NordVPN in this video guide.